I will be honest, I cannot imagine Christmas without this soup. It's savory and sweet at the same time, just delicious. To make the soup, we will need a lot of butter. We will melt it in a pot and add onion as well as a bit of salt. And we will fry the onion until golden brown. I already bought peeled chestnuts to make the soup quicker. The quality is important because those chestnuts will make or break the dish. Cut the chestnuts roughly and add them to the pot, along with vegetable stock. Let the soup simmer for 30 minutes. Transfer the soup to a blender. Be careful how much soup you actually add to the blender because my soup ended up everywhere, on the floor and even the ceiling. Matthias was thrilled, I'm telling you. So anyway, blend the soup until smooth. Then transfer the soup back to the pot, add milk and cream and season it with nutmeg, salt and sugar. Serve with a whipped cream and parsley on the top. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you tomorrow with a new recipe. Bye!